They have successfully completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for their respective grade levels.
By the power vested in me, I now confirm you graduate.
Graduate, you mean
Figure in our institution. Because of many support, she has extended the school. Glenridge chose her because we know she can inspire our graduates and awardees because of her colorful achievements in the field of academics. She was born January 7, 1950. She was the Assistant Director for Academic Affairs, Technological University, Cavite. She was the officer in charge and Executive Director, TUP Cavite. She was the Campus Planning Officer and Campus Accreditation Coordinator. She was the Assistant Director for Academic Affairs in TUP Cavite also.
Smile.
And then from 2006 up to present, she is the Campus Accreditation.
My colleague at TUP, Professor Teliaste here. The parents of the kids, they're going to go to the first grade in the elementary level. For the high school, after going through and building up the foundations for the past 6 years, you are going to go to the high school, the secondary level. But the thing is, are you really ready? Elementary graduates, what are your expectations after this graduation?
Big student.
Okay, madumi yung chair.
To our beloved administrators, a message dedicated to all of you entitled Saying Goodbye. We hope that everybody present this evening will be inspired by our message, which will be saying goodbye does not mean an end, rather new beginning, new path on the road, another start.
Quintanilla Alistair Jan D.P.
Heather Readily Jasmine.
Hey!
The recognition of outstanding non-graduate students. May we call on Ms. Melba S. Malinhan and Ms. Agnes B. Dizon to present the awards for non-graduating students. For the grade 1 level, Encheka Lester Brandon parents of Lester to accept the award.
Raven, Raven. Raven.
For the grade 3 level, Cotton Bianca Muriel L. When we call on the parents of Bianca,